With an HD DVR, you can use our advanced Smart Search technology. Find the exact show, actor, or sports team you're looking for faster than ever. Press Menu and then Smart Search. You'll see the on-screen letter pad and suggested searches. To start searching, use the keypad just like you're texting on a cell phone. Enter titles or the name of an actor or director. Matching results will start appearing instantly, as if you were searching the web. Once it appears, highlight the search you're looking for and press Select. If you're searching for a show or movie title, a list of current and future broadcasts will appear. Select a program currently showing, and it will tune in immediately. If you select a future showing, you'll see options for recording it to your playlist. If you search for an actor or director, all of their upcoming appearances on DIRECTV will appear. Select the title for more details and an option to record it. In fact, you can learn more about any title by selecting Cast and Crew. You'll see a list of who's who for the current title. Select a person and you'll get their bio. In addition to their upcoming appearances on DIRECTV, you can see every movie or show they've been in. Smart Search even remembers who and what you've looked for. Select Recent Searches to see a list. Right here in one place, you'll find quick access to all of your favorite movies, actors, and shows. So no matter where or when they're playing on DIRECTV, you can keep track and never miss a thing.